Today in this video we will see what to do if the alarm in your iPhone is not working. Now the first thing that you can do is you can simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issue. Now the other thing that you can do is if you have put your iPhone in silent mode, then disable the silent mode. You can do that by just using the button which is present here on the side. So take out the iPhone out of the silent mode and check if the alarm will work or not. Then the other thing that you will do is you will go to this option settings here, go to this option sounds and haptics, and if you see there is an option here ringtone and alert volume, make sure that it is maximum. The other thing that you can do is you can go to this option settings, scroll down and go to this option face ID and passcode, enter the passcode, and here there are two options: require attention for face ID, disable this option, select OK, and also there is an option attention aware features, disable this option. So once you disable this option, check if the alarm will ring or not. There is one more thing that you need to check. Go to settings here, go to this option focus, go to sleep, scroll down, and suppose if you have scheduled sleep mode in your iPhone, what you do is go to this schedule, again tap on the schedule, go down, and if you see there is an option alarm. If this alarm option is disabled in the sleep schedule option, then the alarm will not ring in your iPhone. So make sure that this option alarm is enabled, and also make sure that this ringer volume is full for the alarm. Select done and select this option change this schedule. This schedule is only for the next schedule, that is for tonight. For full schedule, what you do is select this option schedule and option, select edit for full schedule, go down, and also make sure that this alarm option for full schedule is also enabled. After that, select done. So once you do these things, check if the alarm will work or not. Now the last thing that you can do is you can delete this clock and reinstall it again. So tap and hold this clock option, select remove app, delete app, and then delete. So once you have deleted this clock, again go to App Store, search for clock, and then install the clock again. So once you have reinstalled the clock, open the clock, go to alarm, and then set the alarm again. So once you do all of these things, then the alarm in your iPhone should work. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.